Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you what I like about this. You only need these mega dots, and you get these ones don't hit the most, these ones do hit the most. And the thing about this bit is like this bit holds it, and then you run this so this is actually no, don't go that last. And this you just keep pushing it, so yeah, you won't need the other kind of this. The mega pistol. Ooh, might be getting it. I don't know. I'm showing you it. So it's a good way. So you just pull it backwards, and then you're ready to shoot. And then you're ready to shoot a target.
Oh, that hit me!
Yeah. Now another target. Now another target. I told you this. And that's it for the day. Bye folks. See you in the description. What do I press next? Again.